Assalamu'alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Rezza Bidaya Muharroma. I'm from Class 3B Electrical Engineering. I will explain about electrical instrumentation of hydropower plant, electrical equipment and control to fulfill the tasks of the power system instrumentation course. Next. What is hydropower? A hydroelectric power plant is a power plant that uses the potential energy of water at a high level to generate electrical energy. These power plants are generally located in hilly areas where dams can be built easily and large reservoirs of water can be obtained. This kind of power plant can be used to produce large amounts of electrical energy. In most countries, these power plants are used as big load power plants. This is because this power plant can be turned on and off easily and quickly. Next, operation of hydropower. Water from the dam is flowed to the water turbine through the penstock. Here, the hydraulic energy of the water is converted into rotational mechanical energy by the turbine. The turbine is connected to the generator through the turbine shaft and hence the mechanical energy is converted into electrical energy by the generator. Okay, next. Components of hydropower. Number one, reservoir, dam, generator, transformer, powerhouse, power lines, intake, control gate, penstock, turbine, and outflow. Next is reservoir. Reservoir is where water is stored for use as when needed, where millions of cubic meters of water will be converted into mechanical energy driving the turbine. The type and arrangement depends on the topography of the site. Next, dam, a building to restrain the flow of water so that it reaches a certain height in order to produce all right amount of energy when the water is flowing. Next, powerhouse. Powerhouse is a building where all the machines and equipment for generating electricity are located. The main components are turbines, generators, transformers, along with electrical panels and control system. Next is generator. This machine is used to convert rotational mechanical energy transferred from the turbine through the shaft into electrical energy. The produced electrical energy is transmitted to the transformer for long-distance transmission. Next, transformer. Transformer is a device for increasing the voltage so that it reaches the desired value for the transmission voltage. The transformer consists of a core of layer arrangement which has two isolations, namely from the low voltage side and from the high voltage side. Next, turbine. Turbine is a device for converting potential energy into mechanical energy. The mechanical energy is then converted into electrical energy by a generator. In hydroelectric power plants, turbines include the main component in addition to the generator. Next is intake. Intake is a facility used to take water from the reservoir into the waterway. Intake consists of 1. gate. Number 2 is filter. Next, control gate. The control gate is a regulator of the entry of water into the penstock that goes to the turbine. The control gate can be opened and closed according to the operating time or if there is a problem with the turbine or other components. Next, penstock. Penstock is the water inlet to the turbine with a certain angle of inclination. Penstock's shape is 1. Round or horseshoe. Number 2 is square or leg. Next is outflow. Outflow is the water output channel from the finished penstock used to rotate the water turbine. Power lines. The electric power transmission lines serve to distribute the electrical energy that has been generated to consumers. Next is control room. Control room is a room that is the center of supervision of all hydropower components as well as a place for controlling the DCS of the hydropower plant. Next is SCADA. SCADA, Supervisory Control and Data Acquisition, is a system that collects information or data from the field and then sends into a central computer that will manage, process, control the data. SCADA systems are used in various industrial and process systems, especially in the electricity sector. SCADA systems are needed to handle a plant system by controlling, monitoring, marking, recording, and retrieving data with a high level of complexity and can even handle hundreds of thousands of EO centrally. Next is the function of SCADA. The main function of the SCADA system are data acquisition, data conversion, data processing, supervisory data, event processing and alarm, tagging, and post-mortem review. The next is basic function of SCADA. 1. Telemetry. Telemetry is sending information in the form of measurement of electrical quantities at a certain time, such as voltage, current, frequency. Monitoring carried out by dispatcher includes displaying real power in MWI, reactive power in MVAR, voltage in kilovolt, and current in ampere. Thus, dispatcher can monitor all required information certainly. Number 2 is telesignal. Telesignal sends a signal that states the status of an equipment or device. The information sent is in the form of the status of the voltage breaker, the separator, the presence or absence of an alarm, and other signals. Number 3 is telecontrol. Telecontrol is commands to open or close electrical power system equipment can be carried out by the dispatcher remotely by simply pressing one of the open or close command buttons on the dispatcher. Okay, if there are less or wrong words in explain the material, I apologize. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.